Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Luvme hair wig install. Now if you don't know about Luvme hair, they actually produce game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come ready to go with uncompromising quality, and of course they are at a really good price. Switching it up is everything when it comes to Luvme hair, so I will be showing you guys multiple styles that you can do with just this one wig unit and how easy and effortless it was to install and style, of course. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. As usual, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing first just to show you everything that comes along with this wig unit. Luvme hair loves to send gifts along with their wigs in general. Now today's wig is a 7x6 HD lace closure, and it is a short bob wig. I have it in 10 inches. This HD lace is absolutely beautiful, you guys, and it also comes pre-plucked for you as well, which you guys saw. Now a couple of things about this wig unit. This particular wig is quality hair. It has minimal shedding and it has no smell whatsoever. This wig is also 100% glueless, and for a short bob wig it does lay flat as well. It has a breathable airy cap, that way your scalp can breathe, and it has a wider and deeper part, which is a lot more versatile. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Now I did style the wig off camera, that way I can just show you guys how quick and easy it is to put on. So the first thing that I am going to do is just add some foundation on the lace. Remember, this is a 7x6 HD lace closure. Even though it is HD, you really want to make sure that the lace matches your skin color specifically, that way it's not too noticeable. After you add your foundation, adjust the adjustable strap and go ahead and throw the wig on. Now that the wig is on, I'm gonna go ahead and get all of the hair away from the lace because it's time to cut off all that additional lace that we do not need. Now I personally like to use like these rigid scissors. They actually have like these little waves in them, and I prefer scissors like that whenever I'm cutting my lace, because if you just use regular scissors and you cut straight across, your lace is really going to be noticeable, and that's not what we want. So if you don't have any rigid scissors, then I would suggest that you cut in a zigzag line. Alright, the lace is all gone. Now I don't know about you guys, but whenever I wear a Luvme hair wig, I sometimes have a little bit of extra room in the wig cap. So whether I get a frontal or a closure, sometimes I do have to add a little bit of spray just to make sure that the lace is intact and it doesn't move anywhere and it's not too noticeable. I only have to use a little bit, so I just dabbed a little bit on the edge just to make sure that my lace does not move, because I have that extra room in the wig cap in general. So now I'm just going to go ahead and let the lace melt underneath my elastic band, and I let it melt for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, the elastic band is off. Now the lace is still a little bit noticeable, and that's mostly because of the texture of it. I did realize that the lace on this particular wig unit was just a little thick, so we're just going to add a little bit more foundation right at the edges just to help blend her in a little bit more. Now I'm just adding a lighter foundation in that parting area just to help mimic my scalp. Your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone, so I tend to go in with a lighter foundation whenever I'm adding makeup to this part of the wig. Now I'm going to give you guys some more close-ups, of course. Now one thing that you guys cannot see on camera is that towards the edges of the lace closure, you do see the lace just a little bit, but because of the styling that we are going to do today, the hair is actually going to cover up the edges of that lace, so you do not have to worry about that, and you do not have to cut any baby hairs. Now even though I did style the wig off camera just to get it ready, I am just going to touch up a couple of pieces with my hot comb and my flat iron, of course. Now the quality of this hair, you guys, was absolutely amazing. It was so silky and it was so smooth without any type of product whatsoever, and I feel like this was the perfect everyday beginner type of wig. This is the perfect wig that you can wear every day, whether you're going to church, work, wherever. It just has that mature and classy look to it. Okay, you guys, we are pretty much done at this point. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig. Overall, I feel like the lace turned out great. I was happy with the result of it. And as you guys can see, the cut of it frames my face pretty well, even though she is 10 inches. So I did leave it at a side part. It does come with the side curve part already done for you, by the way. But I am going to show you guys how deep you can actually part this wig. This wig is a 7x6 lace closure, so you actually do have a lot of room, not only to switch up the parting style, but to part as deep as you would like it to. So in these next couple of clips, I'm just going to showcase that. That way you guys can see in real time how deep the parting area goes on this wig. It's amazing. And we are officially done. If you haven't checked out my description box by now, what are you doing? Go ahead and check out my description box and click the direct link to this wig unit. This is the perfect everyday bob wig that you can wear anywhere. It has such a mature and classy look to it. And of course, it has so many perks, including the large lace room, the fact that it's glueless, the fact that it has the airy breathable wig cap. Like, everything about this wig is absolutely perfect. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.